What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about RGS AIR8. We are going to apply it. If you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe, give me a like, and let's go to the video. So as you can see, there is this part of my lawn which seems like a bit crispy. The reason behind is that in the last 2 weeks the Pacific Northwest hasn't seen much rain, and today actually it's also raining. Since this rain will last for the entire day, I will take the opportunity to spray the product and let the rain water it in. So guys, since it's raining, I'm gonna try to do this quite fast. I'm gonna now mix the 3 products and then I'm gonna spray. I hope you guys enjoyed the today video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you to the next video.